This fried cabbage recipe is a healthy, low-calorie recipe for weight loss that can be cooked with sausage and served as a main dish, or cooked meatless and served as a side, as I am doing today. And it comes together really, really quick because today I am using bagged coleslaw. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I am making healthier versions of the foods that we love. And tonight it is a fried cabbage, which again is meatless because I am serving it as a side with some sauteed chicken. So let's get right into this recipe by starting with cutting up our veggies. Okay, we're going to start with our green bell pepper. Remove the seeds. And I'm just going to do a simple julienne cut. Next, our onion. Okay, our veggies are ready. So I'm going to bring this along with our cleaned and dried coleslaw mix over the stove, and we are going to fry some cabbage. Okay, in our skillet, we are going to add a little bit of avocado oil. Now add in our veggies. These veggies are nice and tender and fragrant. So now it's time to go ahead and add in our shredded cabbage, also known as coleslaw. Add in some salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and mix all of the ingredients together. If you are enjoying this recipe and you're looking for more healthy versions of the foods that we love, just click the link above. And continue to cook until this cabbage is al dente. And this is ready. Eating healthy is not hard, doesn't take up a lot of time, and it's oh so delicious. Now that you see how easy it is to put together a low-calorie recipe and meal for weight loss. So if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. I want to thank you all so very much for joining me here today. And as I always say, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special, and enjoy. Mm.